Hey, parents, I have a great idea, particularly for your young men and young women who are, Zoom depressed. They're tired of Zoom. They want to get out and meet other kids safely, and they want to do something that's going to advance them and get them more involved in one day in great STEM careers. It all starts at an early age. If they can see some nice STEM experiments, STEM projects that they did themselves under the guidance of our wonderful staff. We're going to be in person on this coming Wednesday, please, and also on this coming Saturday, a week from today. This is today's Saturday, so the 31st. We'll be there on Saturday, and then the Wednesday before. You can get the times from our website, or you can get a hold of Erica Copeland, or just better still, just email me at holythinkers@gmail.com. We want to get your student in those workshops. One of them is almost full. The other one is not filled just yet. We can only put about 10 or 12 in each workshop. They could do both, or they could do one. I really want to see them do both. We invested in the kits. I think it's going to be exciting. So please have your youth to get involved, to get out and get in person with us. We moved them to Wednesday and Saturday to ensure we could get it in person. Especially you parents who are Summer Algebra Institute parents, your youth will get it for free. All others will get it for a very, very reduced price. I think you'll be very satisfied. You can get it for around $20, I believe. So let's get your youth in there. These are short, great workshops on Wednesday and Saturday. Go ahead and get involved. They'll be in our newsletter. If you're reading this from the newsletter, get back in touch with me or go online and register for the class at www.westa-eep.org. And you can just wait for the banner and register for the STEM class. God bless you. Thank you very much. I hope to see your student in that class. Bye-bye now.